and I wanted to do some blindfolded bow song tricks for you guys, or as most people call them, butterfly knives. So you can tell this bandana is completely and teetotally blacked out. There's no way I can see through this thing. On top of that, I wear these glasses that are really thick lenses, so I'm not going to be able to see anything without those anyway, so let's get this started. Get this thing tied up really tight. See, there it is. Make sure I got the right end. And let's do this. Hey, if you don't believe that the blindfold's still not see-through, I'll turn away for you guys. And there you have it. Blindfolded butterfly knife tricks.